let's say, if you're gonna learn with me, guys, first of all, I myself I trade gold, and I have a special strategy that I use on gold, and I be, making money every day. So the strategy I use on gold, that one, it's beyond premium. Like I don't share it anywhere. Maybe if someone pays for a course. What we are going to learn here is just pure price action and how to set a trading style. So once you do that, most people they don't know how, like, which time frame can I use. You get, as you can see here on my trading view, I have, let me do this. If you can watch well on my pro trading view, I have daily time frame. It's here. I have 1 hour time frame. It's there. 15 minutes time frame. 5 minutes and 1 minute. I don't usually use 1 minute. I just for someone who's trying to, if someone try, maybe if you're finding something like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all the lines here, and you can see it is just a fresh charts. And guys, I know if you're learning or if you're somewhere, you know what is called bullish and bearish. And you know that when the market is in a downtrend, that is a bearish market structure, which means it's making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Now, we say that the market is in an uptrend when we break the highs. So if we break the highs, let's assume this is the high. If we break it, then we are starting to make higher highs and higher lows. How is that formed? Higher high, higher low, high, low, high, something like that. So first of all, I dropped in the channel a link to the video for that mentor called Reina Teo. She's a very nice teacher. So in case if you don't know what is bullish, bearish, and all of that stuff, make sure you watch that video. Because here we shall not start we shall not start from there, because most of these guys, they have already got some lessons. They know how to spot bearish market structure, bullish market structure. Which means I want to give you guys only 3 months. So no, I just wanted 3 months, yes. So if I want to teach you for 3 months, and if we're gonna start from zero, it's gonna take us time, like 6 months. But if you go there and notebooks and check all the, check that video and write everything down, then it's gonna be very, very, very nice for me, because whenever you may go there and and read about the support, the candlestick. Now, when I start making analysis here, you will be spotting. You will be like spotting some, let's say, some candlestick pattern, which means you will be getting more knowledge. You get. So that's why guys, I dropped those links. They are not from my channel, but I dropped them just in case if you're on zero and you don't know anything about trading, then it will be nice for you to think about it. All right. Most people, they just know this is a chart, and where can I start analyzing? For me, I'm a day trader. So which means I won't go, let's say, in a monthly time frame or yearly, annually time frame and all of that stuff. You get, I'm dealing with the daily. I'm dealing with that day candlestick. If you're a day trader, remember you trade this candlestick only. You'll be looking for a setup. This is a daily candlestick, guys. This is a daily time frame, which means you'll be looking your setup from this candlestick here. You see? Which means everything you want, it's in this candlestick, whether it's a bearish candlestick or a bullish candlestick. Everything you do, which means you start from your daily time frame. So right now I'm trying to develop I'm trying to develop, let's say, a trading community, which means we shall follow only one thing, like we shall follow what I'm gonna teach you guys. I made money on these setups, even though I do ICT and all of those stuff, but I created a new strategy from ICT, and it's what I trade right now. But if I'm to show you, I'm teaching you something which is very profitable. I want to show you guys. I want to show you something. I'm teaching you something which is very profitable. You see, let me see. Uh, if you can watch my computer, I want you to feel comfortable. And you see, all of these are screenshots. They are screenshots for the pairs I've been trading and the styles I've been trading. You get? So let me go straight where I started from. I started from here. You see? Let me show you something. You might be able to analyze the market and all of those stuff, but most of people, they lack patience and waiting for the setup to play. You just be there and you're waiting for the setup to play. Then you be like, maybe if I can, I can buy or something. You see, I've been trading this strategy, and it has been working very well. Just all you need is a plan and getting more education, guys. I'm doing this for free. You get. But if you wanna like what right now we started from here, which is the public channel, but I have created a Telegram channel which is UpTown Trading Academy, and soon I'm gonna let you know, guys. I'm trying to set up probably this year we shall officially open our trading academy so that we can be getting these lessons live. So let's go. This is a pure price action that I've been trading. I traded this for a year. You get, before creating my own strategy. You get, for a year, working. You see, those are losses are there. You can't miss the losses, but still, most of the time, it's a win. You see, I traded this for a very long time. You see that. So let me see. There is many trades I used to report. That's why I told you guys in the seminar. During the seminar, I told you guys to journal, because here you get to know your A plus setup and all of those stuff. Make sure you screenshot, even if you don't have a computer. You see, even if you don't have a computer, screenshot and make sure you take a note. Where did you buy from? What make you buy? Like, you get. And another thing, guys, I don't want you to complicate things. I've seen a lot of traders trying to complicate, putting this one. But at first, I think you will need to write there the words. If it is a support, you can write there support so that you can get used. You get. For example, let me show you something. If you can realize well gold on daily time frame, we are in an uptrend. You get. So I'm going to be using a line. We had a support here. See that? We had a support. We had a resistance here, which became a support here. You see that? Now, after marking that one, now we had this support. I mean, it was just a resistance. Let me show you a resistance. We broke that resistance, became a support. Here I'm going into details because I don't need to look around this time frame. Let's say daily, and I'm looking at this as a Wednesday, 28 September price action. I don't really like that because I really sometimes deal with current chart market structure, like here around this zone. But here, let's go into details. You can see we broke this support, but after breaking this support, the market came and made us a market structure. We are on daily, guys, a market structure there is a break of structure. Where's my line here? You see that we broke this. Again, another, is it a resistance? We broke it. We came for a small retest, went up. We came and traded into. It's trying to call me. All right. So let me first mark all the levels that are very important. Most of the time, what you should do first is to mark all key levels. What are the key levels? Key levels are these ones. Like you can see, we had here resistance, which became a support. There is another one here. We broke it, something like we broke this support here. But again, I'm expecting you can use a Fibonacci level from this high to this high here. So I'm on a daily time frame, guys. I told you I don't want to look at this one, but this is a ICT Fibonacci. I'm going to change it right now because there is no need to use it. So let me temperate. Let me see. Let me apply as default. Let me first set this Fibonacci, because we're gonna need, we need to use Fibonacci. Fibonacci is very one of the technical analysis tool you should use. Very nice. So let me set it right here. Let me set it right here, top, left, right. I would want that to be right. Price. I don't want prices, and trend line. I don't want it. Another thing, there are some levels we should remove at least. Let me. I'm trying to verse. Right. I don't really like these colors. I will just remove them. Oh, no. I will make them black. Yeah. I will make them black. So here even you can take a note and learn how to set this Fibonacci. Is very nice tool. Think about it. Like ICT, they use it. SMC, they use it. So price action, very nice. Very nice tool. Just because for me as a mentor, I got used, now I can see, and I can be like, this is a 50% Fibonacci level. This is this one. You get, when you learn something and makes practice and when you practice and practice, man, it's sometimes you be like, when you're getting everything, like you can see, you can just watch the price action. Right now, I'm marking these levels, but when I'm making my analysis, I don't really mark a lot. I can even watch the price and mark 1, 2. Those who trade with me, like you do, knows my charts. I can just mark 3, just lines and uh, guys, if you can mute if you're not trying to ask something, you can just mute. Let me see, 0, 28. We don't need to use 28, 30, 50, 70, 38. I don't like it. Where is it? Yeah. All right. Let me see whether it's. Let me see. Yeah. Let me see. No, there's something missing. I don't really like that. Let me see. 1 to 1, 50, 38. There's some kind of trend line from 0. Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. Then this I should add on so that you can really be viewing everything. Then I should add on the size of the font size. Yeah, so let me save this one. Big one. All right, this is how people is so important. So we are on a daily time frame, and if we are on a daily time frame, we see some kind. We had a support. We have another support here. You see, we never came to this support. You see that we had a resistance, became into a support, and gold is trading to this support. Do you see that? Now let's use a Fibonacci level. You'll find that this is either 50% of Fibonacci level, something like that. Let me see. You see, it is 60%, 61.8% of Fibonacci level. So these are the key levels. Like if you're a swing trader and you're planning to buy around here, no, buy. If you're trying to go along about here, your SL should be at least here. And there you should be targeting at least this should be your take profit one, and you would be targeting around this imbalance here, like some kind of imbalance. And if you're some kind of imbalance around here, then this should be your take profit. So just as your stop loss should be below this, you can decide to put it below this high, I mean this low, but again to be safe, because sometimes this market can make some kind of a hand and run and push up. So that is it. But yeah, let's continue. I'm just making analysis on gold, top-down analysis. Here, I will be marking the key levels, which is this one. So we came to this support. We came to this support, this resistance, which became a support here. Let me use this. After we had to run down, took these highs, taking those highs. I remember there was some key level here, which is a resistance. We traded it. We had to break it, and we came back. You see, we came back here. We broke it to this one. Remember, we didn't retest around this one. This is some kind of a support. You see, even if you go, you will find that, you see, it is a support. You see that? So we didn't retest on that support. You get? And again, if you realize it well, people were buying around here. So we had to run this liquidity. So when we got to the lower time frame, you will find some kind of a market structure shift around this zone here. So I want you guys to, these are the lessons that we are going to learn step by step. Let me show you something. This is how you find this is how you make a trading plan. I'm just telling you, I'm just giving you some simple thing. Let me show you how you create a trading plan. You feel like, okay, we had a support here, the market, we broke our support here. Now you're swing trader, because even if these things happens in the lower time frame, I'm telling you this according to the high time frame. If in case you're a swing trader, you be like, now I'm waiting for this market to retest this support here. You get? After retesting, then I'm gonna wait for a market structure shift around this area. So what are the market structure shift pattern? I'm going to teach you about the pattern. We have some kind inverse head and shoulder. You find some kind like this. You get? And we buy from here. So if we go into this level here, if we go around this level here, you will find that we retested into this support here. You get? Now we should get some kind of a market structure shift in the lower time frame here. Let's go to the 1H and see 1H. Let's go to 4H. Let me use 4H. Was from 1 daily to 1H. It's very. Now this is the zone here that I have circled, made a circle here. You see this zone? We have it. We have that level. You see, this is a market structure shift. We came making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, high highs. We broke this high. High here, we broke it. Another high here, we break it, forming this high here. So let me first clean my charts so that you can understand very well. So if someone, if you're buying, if you're waiting, let's say now the market, if the market was making lower lows, lower highs, lower high, you'll be expecting the market just to retest here and drop down. You get, but you know what happened? What's happening? The market came making lower highs and lower lows, then broke this support here. This is a super support. You can see the market traded here, went up, came, made another trade. We broke it again. We had to break it and make a retest. This is a left shoulder here. This is another left shoulder. If the market, we can count this as a left shoulder. This is the right shoulder here, but we buy from here just in case if we get another re-entry. Now this becomes the official left shoulder, inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. This is the pattern. So this is where we take our trade from. This is the 4H, which means if you use a 4H, your stop loss should be at least below this low here. It could be here, but your stop loss should be below this low. You get at around here. There you be a swing trader. Remember, we are on a 4H. Now let's go to refining, and you're targeting something like somewhere like there. You're targeting this high because people has been buying the markets. Think about that. So which means pattern on 4H on a lower time frame. Remember, if you can see this in a daily time frame, it can happen on a 4H. Again, it can happen in 1 minute, guys. You get. So here, let's go to the lower time frame. We want to find some kind of a market structure shift around this level. Let's go to 1H. Then on 1H, there is nothing. And again, if you can spot well, there is some kind of a support here. We broke that support. After breaking that support, you see how we are getting the setups. We break it, make a head. This is a left shoulder. This is a head. We came. This was NFP. Then, which means we may trade again, slow to this point here and buy. You get. That is how. Now here is the plan. This is where the plan comes from. You feel like, you know what? I'm waiting for this pair to come around here. And your stop loss should be below this. You get, this is 1H. You know how gold can move like crazy. Well, gold can make a move, and you know. So again, you go to the lower time frame. You get, again, you go to the lower time frame. And there, if you can realize it well, we have another level here. We have another level here. You see that? We have that level. The market came, retested, came, we broke. So we didn't retest here, which means there are two types. There is a high probability entry and a low probability entry. So this is the 1 minute, a 1 hour, which means we want to see a shift here or here. So which patterns are you looking? These are the two levels we are having. This one it's done. We have this level and this level here. You see, now in this level here, we want to see something like this. We want to see something like this, so that we can really buy from this zone. Buy from here. We want to see something like this around this zone. Somebody will just buy without a confirmation. You get. So you will find that when you go to 15 minutes time frame, let me go to 15 minutes time frame. you will find that when the market reach around this zone, it will continue breaking the laws. Now someone will find, you will find someone buying the market without the confirmation, just because he has just seen the support turning into resistance and something like that. When the market reach your zone, you just be patient and be like, I'm waiting. Then here you're waiting to see some kind of this one. Market structure shift and the retest buy. That's all. This is it. I'm expecting I'm still in a buy on a buy momentum, just waiting. We have some kind of point of interest here and here again. So that is it. That is a top-down analysis. We're going to come to our 5 minute and we spot like some kind of a market structure shift, like something like this. You see, we broke that support, we came to this level for our retest, we went up. After going up, we tested around this support here, another entry, we had to go up. You get, that is it, as simple as that. But you will need to learn it in detail. That is number one thing. You see something of head and shoulder here, but if you go down, you'll find that another head and shoulder around here, like inside these patterns, they keep on repeating. You get, that's when you think about of trend line and all of those stuff. Because if I'm going to use the trend line, you guys, I'm trying to show you that you just need a trading plan. Nothing much. A trading plan. You get, and I will teach you how to create a trading plan. You see, these are the patterns forming in the market. You see, you have this pattern, and if I'm to, let me use this here. We have this wedge. If I'm to do like this, now you see that read the trend line here to here. Another thing, you can use line in order to perfect your trend line. The rest are just noise making thing. See, you can use that line in case if you have so you see, this was just one touch, two touch. We are coming for three touch, which means we are expecting some kind of a retracement. We go for our take profit should be here, but again, I'm expecting this market to just even to break this line and continue going up to this imbalance here, which means we can even buy for 3 weeks or a month. You get, so I'm not a swing trader, so that's why I use lower time frame. I just want to get in, and I take my profit. You know, I sleep well. I don't want to sleep when I'm thinking of how is my trade. Want this trade in the reverse back, and like I don't really like that feeling. I want just to get in during London session, then get in during New York session, and I chill. You get, so that is that you get. So currently my target will be around here. This will be my target. Whenever I'm buying, I'll be targeting this level here, and I know whether next week or next week but one, we're gonna reach that target. You get. All right, done, guys. I'm gonna drop this stream. Make sure you can, if you have any question, make sure you drop it, guys. Make sure you ask any question. The live stream, guys, and I wish you a blessed night, guys. All right.
Likewise.